The library is where you view and manage all photos and videos stored in your NAS. Content is displayed as thumbnails with multiple view modes and filtering options to help you quickly find and organize files. In the Photos app, you can build and manage your library by linking folders. The system will automatically scan these folders and add photos and videos to the library. To get started, click the settings icon at the bottom of the sidebar, go to Folder Scope and click the plus icon to select folders. Personal folders are used as private photo sources and can only be accessed by you. The personal folder/photos is created by default as the storage location. Shared folders act as shared photo sources, allowing multiple users to access and manage content with permissions controlled by the administrator. Once added, the system will automatically scan the folders and import the content into the library. Note that for non-admin users, the library and personal folder must be enabled before first use. This needs to be set up by an administrator. Click the Filter and Sort button in the top navigation bar, then select Personal or Shared Files and the library will update accordingly. By default, the library is sorted by recording time in descending order. You can also navigate using the timeline. On the library page, hover over the timeline on the right and click a specific year or month to view photos and videos from that period. Click any photo in the library to open its detail view. From the top bar, you can perform several actions. You can add the photo to favorites and access it later from the sidebar, or switch between original view and thumbnail view. You can zoom in, zoom out, or rotate the photo as needed. If you delete a photo, it can be viewed in the folder Recycle bin. Click Details to view information such as source, storage location, capture location, device, and camera settings. You can also edit the file name and recording time. Click the three-dot menu to access additional actions, including sharing, downloading, adding to album, tagging people, text recognition, setting privacy protection, or moving and copying the file. Select multiple photos in the library to manage them in bulk. You can share selected photos with internal or external users, or download them to your local device. Click Add to Album to include them in a selected album. You can also delete them in bulk. Deleted files can be restored from the recycle bin or permanently removed if the bin is disabled. From the three-dot menu, you can also add photos to people, set privacy protection, add to favorites, adjust recording time, or move and copy files. Click Settings icon, open Intelligent Settings and enable image recognition and text recognition. Then click the search bar in the top navigation and enter keywords like UGREEN. The system will return matching photos and videos based on AI recognition results.